What's something people don't know about village-style pancakes? They're like a bite of pure love, folks. You see, my grandmother had this magic touch. She'd whip up pancakes from scratch in her cozy village kitchen. Imagine the aroma of freshly ground flour mixed with farm-fresh eggs and a dash of love. She'd pour the batter with a smile, flipping each pancake to golden perfection. Crispy edges, fluffy centers, and a drizzle of her secret syrup. Every bite was a trip down memory lane, wrapped in warmth and care. If you ever get a chance to taste these village-style pancakes, do it. It's like a hug from Grandma herself. Happy cooking, everyone. Shorts, village food, Fipshi.